Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to withdraw money from Bask Bank. Bask Bank is a relatively new bank, but it's quickly gaining popularity. It's a great option for people who are looking for a bank that offers low fees and high interest rates. In this video, I'm going to show you two different ways to withdraw money from Bask Bank. I'll also discuss some of the pros and cons of each method. So, let's get started. How to withdraw money from Bask Bank. Method 1. Online banking. The easiest way to withdraw money from Bask Bank is to use online banking. Here's how to do it. Log into your Bask Bank account. Click on the Withdraw tab. Enter the amount of money you want to withdraw. Select the account you want to withdraw the money from. Click on the Submit button. Your money will be transferred to your bank account within a few days. Pros of online banking. It's fast and easy. You can withdraw money from anywhere in the world. You can withdraw money at any time of day. Cons of online banking. You need to have a bank account that is linked to your Bask Bank account. You may be charged a fee for withdrawing money online. Method 2. ATM. You can also withdraw money from Bask Bank using an ATM. Here's how to do it. Find an ATM that is affiliated with Bask Bank. Insert your Bask Bank debit card. Enter your PIN. Select the amount of money you want to withdraw. Press the Withdraw button. Your money will be dispensed from the ATM. Pros of ATM. It's a convenient way to withdraw money. You can withdraw money without having to log into your online banking account. You can withdraw cash 24/7. Cons of ATM. You may be charged a fee for withdrawing money from an ATM. You may need to travel to find an ATM that is affiliated with Bask Bank. Additional tips. Before you withdraw money from Bask Bank, make sure you know how much money you have in your account. You can also set up automatic transfers to your bank account. This will make it easier to withdraw money on a regular basis. If you have any questions about how to withdraw money from Bask Bank, you can contact their customer service team. Withdrawing money from Bask Bank is easy and convenient. There are two main methods you can use: online banking and ATMs. Each method has its own pros and cons, so you'll need to decide which one is right for you. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more banking tips. Thanks for watching.